edition of the Community Cookbook. Today we're looking at the trigger on mirror column changes, and then copy that mirror column to a standard column so that we can use it for reporting and formulas and messing about with. So how this works is that when a subitem mirror changes, it triggers the automation. So that's going up to 52. Triggers the automation. The automation then will go through the mirror column and then change us our number, which is now a number column, not a mirror column, into whatever number those are. Now, what makes this good is that it doesn't matter how many mirror columns you've got nested. So this is actually a mirror in a mirror. So you've got a mirror column here, which is linking the subtasks to a different board and then adding them all up to get the 52. But then the subitem mirror column is the parent, the summary parent into here. So this is technically a mirror of the subitems, and then that's also a mirror of the board that it's attached to. So this is a mirror in a mirror. So it doesn't matter if you've got nested mirrors columns, it will calculate or bring it through whatever you need and copy into a different type of column that allows us to do various things with, see it in dashboards and all that sort of stuff. If you've got any questions about this one, this is really useful. I'll use it all the time. Again, the more we add, the more value that the Community Cookbook brings. So please reach out if you've got any questions, if you've got anything you want to add to the cookbook. Thank you very much.